Hello, today 9th of July. Now it's windy. It's kind of raining, so I need to stay in the restaurant or somewhere in the shopping mall. Today I decided to stay in a hostel nearby the bus station. The hostel was really good. Just only €9, €9 but one night. So tomorrow I will be Skopje in Bulgaria. So I'm heading to the city center of Macedonia. First impression, Macedonia is all building looks like the 70s. I feel kind of the time is stop. If I have a nice supermarket, I don't have any problem. Now cloudy and windy, so maybe so much noise in my video. Who is best known for this city is Mother Teresa. Actually, she was born in this city, and then maybe she traveled a lot, preach something human being or love or something. And then here again, Turkish culture influenced this city or this country a lot. So I heard that there is a Turkish Bazar, a Turkish kind of city, and it looks like just Istanbul. I'm looking forward to see the city. Maybe few locals or few tourists on the street. On the street, like street food burger, it costs €1.60. So many gypsy. I go to the restaurant streets, Irish pub. What am I gonna get today? Fish and chips, hot fried chicken. 6 o'clock. Tuesday. Not many people. Maybe only tourists. Where's the local? I'm gonna find out like yesterday's street. It's so vibrant. Yeah. Atmosphere was good, but yeah, still quiet. Maybe after 3 hours. It's a cheap Burger King, 125. So I mean, €250. How was my bus trip today? Is I left Kosovo, Pristina at 10 o'clock. It was a little late. I didn't need to wake up earlier, so yeah. There are several buses. I found 12 buses in the day, and it just cost €5. Travel hour is about 2 hours and a half. Know what the city looks like. So curious. Maybe 60s, 70s or a modern city. Couple of bridges. The opposite side. Really quiet. There is one sightseeing place. Again, the fortress, like castle gate. So I heard it is free to get inside. Also climb up. So many statues. Explanation is just only the Macedonian language. So I can. Walking on the street. No one chilling out. Now it's good time to chill. No couple. You can hear only sound of wind. I started travel from the Slovenia until I ended up Macedonia. It was like 7 countries, but I have met only one Japanese girl in the Slovenia, in the first country. After, I haven't seen any Japanese people, and then Asian people maybe like 10 group or something. Most of them I think they're Chinese people, but only Croatia, Serbia, what else? Albania, Montenegro, then Macedonia, Kosovo. No Asian tourists. Yeah. And Bosnia Herzegovina also I haven't seen any Asian people. Maybe still not popular destination. Or maybe one Chinese couple in front of me in Macedonia. I think this is center. Some souvenir shops are closed. again Muslim people. Maybe for them, yeah, popular destination. He's starting cooking a corn again. So popular. Okay, now I'm heading to the old Bazar side, so getting the old town. Only Muslim. Fortress there. Ice cream again, but this ice cream looks so chemical, and especially blue. Too much additive. Sorry. The escalator hasn't moved, so the social life stopped. Maybe I can see something from the stairs, but yeah. I'm getting the oldest Bazar. And now it's start gentle hill. I need to go up. What's Baguette? Yo! Where are we? The shop? Should be this one. How do you pronounce it? Kajisadaro. Receptionist recommend the shop. Kajisadaro. Shakska burger with bread with cheese. It will cost 230, so mean 450 euro. Shakska is like a grilled hamburger with cheese inside. If you choose Macedonia for the holiday destination, the price will be cheap. All Macedonians say, yeah, here price is cheap, everything cheap, food cheap. Realistic, if you are in that country, price is cheap, it's no good. I understand. Better if price is high. If its price is high, yeah. When you travel to another country, it means price is cheap. So, it's getting gourmet travel, like 4.5 euro or something. So this one cheese with bread, and then the grilled hamburger and the cheese in it. Let's eat. Bread. This bread cheese, the cheese is really salty. Maybe for them it's not normal, but I think the bread is grilled by chopped. The meat was not hamburger, just steak, but cheese in it. The cheese. In this gap, there's a cheese in it. And now I finished the dinner. Then I'm heading to Fortress. This area, Turkish Bazar, and there are some restaurants, cafe. So now, this is like Istanbul, I think. The assistant told me the atmosphere here is Istanbul.
Excuse me, do you need help?
Where is the Turkish Bazaar? But no people, no one. All shops are closed. So it's still 6:30, 6 o'clock. Dead city. See, quiet. No noise, no sound, no voice. I'm now one of the major tourist places, Fortress. No one. 7 o'clock, Tuesday. Playing no dating. What's wrong with the people? In Serbia, Belgrade, it's much better and full of people dating there and chatting, drinking. Can you see over the bridge? There is one building is almost ruining. With a T-Mobile on the sign on the top. Me There's a fortress, but no one cry. Yeah. Should be open. Yeah, Skopje, no young people, no vibration. Now I see people, but not much. Passing a fountain across a bridge and get back to the hotel. Main street. The stone is cracked.